Hello. So here you can see the usefulness of the tool. Here you see that day wise you can choose you know the parameter from 1 to 7, 1 to 10, 10 being the happiest. Here you can see 1 to 3 is very sad, yellow 4 to 6, 7 to 10 is happy. So once you fill up these things and you can write the activities you are doing, and like this you can fill up the whole thing. So once you fill up the whole thing, you can see the system will automatically say, suppose here I take it 1. So see that the first day was your happiest day, and you can also track here the happiest time of the day is 7 p.m. So here the average happiness time you can also see the 6.50. Once you start tracking, you will see wonderful result, and you can see the in the daytime you can figure out the pattern at what time of the day you are most happier, and at what time you are down. So accordingly you can change your activities and you can lead a conscious life. So this tracker is very helpful. You start tracking the things and you can see the changes in within 7 days. It is very simple. You can have it in your mobile also and in your phone also. So it is fully automated, and the figures, the data it will give can change your life, and you can be very conscious, and you can change your activities. You can use for your mood tracking also, activity tracking, productivity time, for everything. Although for productivity there are also given some tools along in the combo, you can use that. So if you are a parent, you can use for your child, you can use for yourself, if you are a professional, if you are a housewife, for everybody. Thank you.